My name is Candace Campo. My ancestral name is Hatsamesa. I'm the owner-operator of Tulesi Tours. I would like to invite you to our Spoken Treasures tour, the history of Vancouver and Stanley Park through Indigenous Eyes. On this historical tour, you'll get to learn the stories and the history of our people here in Vancouver, as well as the early history of our first contact with the explorers and the settlers of this great city of Vancouver. Some of the stories included are the stories of the Great Fire, the early history of the Canadian Railway, as well as some of the oral traditions and stories of how our people have lived here for thousands of years. Please join us at aboriginalecotours.com. You can join us in person or sign online to join us for a virtual tour. Hoichka Olnom Chalap. Thank you.